Addiction can feel like an insurmountable wall blocking the path to happiness and freedom. Have you ever wondered if true liberation and a fulfilling life are possible after addiction? The answer is a resounding yes. Today, we're diving deep into 7 transformative steps to help you break free from addiction and rebuild your life. Whether you're supporting someone on their journey or seeking freedom for yourself, these insights are designed to inspire hope and action. Are you ready to take back control and embrace a future unchained from addiction? Stick around till the end, where we'll reveal a powerful, often overlooked technique essential for sustaining long-term recovery. Don't miss this life-changing insight. 1. Acknowledging the problem. The first step to overcoming addiction is acknowledging its presence. Have you ever found yourself defending behaviors you know are harmful? Recognition is not a sign of weakness, but a courageous act of self-awareness and honesty. Begin by reflecting on how addiction has impacted different areas of your life, relationships, career, and health. Acceptance opens the door to change and new possibilities. Understand that seeking support is a brave decision, and sharing your journey with trusted individuals can build a foundation for recovery. 2. Exploring the underlying causes. Do you know why addiction gained a foothold in your life? Understanding the underlying causes is crucial for lasting recovery. Often, addiction stems from attempts to cope with unresolved emotional pain, stress, or past trauma. Engage in self-exploration through journaling, therapy, or meditation to uncover suppressed emotions or experiences that may have fueled your addiction. Addressing these root causes diminishes their power and illuminates a path toward healing. Coming up, we'll delve into an insightful approach to deconstructing these emotional complexities. Stay tuned. 3. Building a supportive network. After recognizing and understanding your addiction, a strong support network is vital. Do you have people in your life who understand and uplift you? Surrounding yourself with supportive friends, family, or support groups can provide encouragement and accountability. Seek out communities through local groups or online forums that resonate with your experiences and provide a safe space for sharing and growing. Let your network be your strength when the going gets tough. 4. Developing a personalized recovery plan. Do you have a strategy tailored to your unique journey to tackle addiction? A personalized recovery plan is essential to navigate the challenges ahead, allowing you to act with intention and focus. Set clear, actionable goals for your recovery, including both short-term objectives and long-term visions of your future. Incorporate coping mechanisms, healthy habits, and self-care practices that align with your strengths and interests. Outline the first actionable step in your recovery plan today and commit to taking it. Share what you plan to achieve in the comments to inspire others. We'll soon reveal an essential component to include in your recovery plan that can significantly enhance its effectiveness. Don't miss out. 5. Thriving beyond addiction. Discovering new passions and interests. What will fill the void left by addiction? Finding new passions is crucial for thriving in recovery and adding meaning to your life. Have you ever thought about what brings you joy that's untouched by addiction? Discover activities that engage and inspire you, whether it's art, music, sports, or volunteering. These pursuits can strengthen your resilience against relapse and provide a fulfilling, addiction-free identity. What new hobby or interest are you excited to explore? Share your enthusiasm in the comments. Engaging in new experiences not only facilitates personal growth, but also builds a rewarding lifestyle centered on positivity and authenticity. Here's a surprise. Could you know that practicing gratitude has a profound impact on sustaining recovery? Stick around to find out how expressing thanks can reshape your journey to freedom. 6. Embracing mindfulness and emotional regulation. Are your emotions often overwhelming, contributing to a cycle of revisiting addiction? Mindfulness is a transformative tool for managing emotions, reducing stress, and preventing relapse. By practicing mindfulness, you become aware of cravings and coping mechanisms, allowing you to respond consciously rather than react impulsively. Techniques such as meditation, breathing exercises, and yoga can help ground you in the present moment. Emotional regulation enhances your ability to navigate daily challenges, fortifying your resilience and fostering emotional clarity. 7. continuously growing and setting new goals. Recovery is a lifelong journey, not a singular destination. Do you view it as a process for ongoing growth and discovery? Continuously setting and achieving new goals roots the joy of life in personal evolution and discovery. Reflect regularly on your progress, celebrate milestones, and redefine what success means to you. Engage in lifelong learning opportunities and remain open to new experiences and perspectives. What milestone are you most looking forward to in your recovery journey? Engage with others by sharing this goal. Setting goals ensures that fulfillment remains dynamic, encouraging continual self-improvement and resilience. Bonus insight: the power of gratitude in recovery. As promised, here's the insight. Daily gratitude practice significantly enhances the recovery process, increasing positivity and fostering resilience. By concentrating on what you have, rather than what you lack, gratitude shifts your mindset from deprivation to abundance. Incorporate a gratitude journal into your routine, noting the people, experiences, or aspects of life you're thankful for. Gratitude transforms your relationship with recovery, filling it with positivity and hope. Write down 3 things you're grateful for each day this week. Share if you'd like to join this community exercise. Embracing freedom and rebuilding life. Breaking free from addiction, it's about reclaiming your life through understanding, support, and growth. By acknowledging the problem, dismantling underlying causes, and setting new goals, each step brings you closer to a future of fulfillment and freedom. Which step resonated most with your journey and why? Engage with your insights in the comments. If this exploration into life after addiction inspired you to take transformative steps, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Together, we'll continue to explore life-changing insights for recovery and resilience. Click the notification bell to stay updated with empowering content. Reflect and share a personal triumph or challenge faced in the journey toward overcoming addiction. Your experience could light the way for someone else seeking hope and freedom. Thank you for joining us. Until next time, embrace each step of your journey, cultivate resilience, and celebrate the freedom that comes with recovery.